Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the visor, we'll pull it down, pop it off the clip, swing it out. We use an 8mm socket on a driver handle. Really can't get a ratchet in here, but you should be able to get a socket in here with a driver handle. And then it's just like a screwdriver. And we'll get it, turn it loose. There's 2 of them. So I'll get this one out. Put that aside and move this over. I'll get to this one. Pull that out. The visor down out of the headliner. Just work it down out of the headliner. I had to pop it off that clip there and then work the harness down. This is what powers the lighted vanity mirror. Get some of this tape out of here so I can see it. I'll lift up on this harness. I'm going to take a flat-bladed screwdriver and just pry gently up. Push this in a little bit. A little tricky. Pry this up and at the same time pull the connector out. Just like that. Then we have our sun visor. To remove the clip for the sun visor, it's a T15 Torx screw. So go in here, remove it. Pull the clip out, reinstall it, put it in place, put the screw up. Find the opening for it, there it is. And just kind of tighten it up. Don't go super tight. It's just a self-tapper going into plastic. So once you feel it get tight, just stop. Reinstall our sun visor. Now make sure you plug it back in. It is keyed. And it matches up with that connector. This way your vanity lights will turn on. Click when it snaps into place. Now feed the wire up. Gonna have to bend the headliner down just a little bit at the edge. And push that connector up in there and then just feed the wire up. And then this is going to go up and click into place. Just like that. Take our fasteners, reinstall them. If I feel them get tight, I'll stop. Spin this around to the other side and do the same for this. Passenger side sun visor can be removed and installed in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.